Hi everyone, my name is Alexander and I'm the founder of Equimake. I spent the last few days working on a new feature inside Equimake called 3D Annotations. With annotations, you'll be able to tell a story, you'll be able to create a walkthrough, and yeah, you'll just be able to visualize more information and connect it to 3D content. It looks like that. So every time you click on an annotation, it brings you to a different camera angle, and there is a title and a description, and your users can navigate to different parts of the world with it. Now, what's cool about annotation is that how easy it is to edit text. So for example, here I'm just going to remove this part of text. And if I want to change the camera angle, you will see there's a ray that shows where the camera is at. Let's say I like the camera here. Now, if I press on the annotation, the camera will fixate itself. If I would like my camera to be here, same thing, click on it. Now the camera will be there. So it is inspired by Sketchfab, the system itself. The editing on Sketchfab is a bit more finicky, but I made it super easy on Equimake. But it's the same principle here. When you click on the annotation, it opens up title and description. They also have a kind of presentation autopilot, which I'm going to add in the future. I will see how people use this new feature and then adjust based on demand. But let me show you how easy it is to add a new annotation. So I'm just going to, let's say, look at this part of my model, click new, then annotation, press the enter the title and enter description, press submit. And just like that, it got my current camera angle. And now if I click on it, it's gonna bring me and open the annotation description. Now, what's also cool, I'd never actually showed it before, but take a look at that. So I'm on my phone right now, actually, and Equimake works perfectly on iOS, Android, and tablets. So now you see the annotations working, and I can go into landscape mode. And let's say I just want to say, hey there. So I want to edit live, and as you can see, it works. And you can even create annotations on your phone. So you click new, then annotations, and you click submit. And just like that, you see guest, I'm a guest on my phone, it created an annotation and I can travel to it. So just like that, we got the annotations working. I'm working right now on scripting system and looking forward to really get it done. And please stay tuned for more updates. Let me know if you'd like the new annotation feature. Please test it out. Give me like comments and your feedback. And one thing I want to show you is that I kind of refined the way you can take a snapshot of your world. So you can go anywhere you like it with camera and then update the picture. So let's say I like it this view, I can click update. And of course, whatever you do in the Equimake gets shown on all devices at the same time. You can hide the grid and you can make your world private or public. It all works. So yeah, thanks a lot for your time. And yeah, stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.